Here's an egg. What comes to mind? Maybe. However, in Chinese food, more and more. Alright, today we're making a dish that's simple, light, and super tasty. Get set, go. Let's cut the scallions first. If you like, you can add some coriander. Add some red peppers. We are using bell peppers now, which is not spicy. If you like spicy food, you can add millet peppers. The red of the chili and the yellow of the egg are a perfect match. Not only that, red peppers can also make the taste of the dish more layered. Let's cut it into small strips first. And then cut into small pieces. Okay, set aside. Garlic is the soul of this dish. It can not only maximize the flavor of eggs, but also a grease cutter. According to my method, first flatten the garlic cloves, which makes it very easy to peel. Look, it's very convenient. Cut into small pieces. Then cut into minced garlic. Finally, mix it with red peppers and set aside. Eggs are the protagonist today. It is an indispensable ingredient on the table, whether the chicken or the egg came first. It's a philosophical question, but in front of human appetite, these questions are not problems. We crack 6 eggs into a bowl. Oyster sauce, white vinegar, soy sauce, and water. Let's make a sauce. 2 spoons of light soy sauce, 2 spoons of rice vinegar. If you like, you can also replace it with aged vinegar, which will make it more mellow. Add a spoonful of oyster sauce. And add some water. Stir well. Add all the prepared diced peppers and minced garlic. This is the soy sauce. Turn on the heat. The key to non-stick pan is hot pan and hot oil. Heat the pan until the pan wall is slightly smoking. Pour in cooking oil because eggs absorb oil. So in this dish needs a little more oil. Turn the pot body to coat the pot walls with oil. This is the key to non-sticking. Pour in the eggs. Don't turn it over in a hurry. Wait until the bottom is slightly solidified. We gently turn the pan. Flip it over. Cut into small pieces. Add the prepared sauce. Stir well. Make sure every piece of egg is covered with sauce. The aroma has already spread out. Cover the pot. Turn the heat down a bit. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. Let the sauce slowly penetrate into every gap of the eggs. Imagine that. Every bite will burst with juice and fragrance in your mouth. Sprinkle scallions before serving. Of course, there must be many. Coriander lovers can sprinkle some more coriander. Stir and turn off the heat. Take out. This is a dish that can definitely be added to your recipe. The ingredients are simple, and every family has it. When you don't know what to eat, it's your first choice. It's simple, quick, and delicious. It's a great rice puller. Loving what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. A good life starts with eating well. Okay, let's eat. See you next time.